Look, I can probably revisit one of the comments I made during my presentation, and this is not a personal experience, but I think one of the challenges that the construction industry faces is demonstrating value and demonstrating return on investment, and that's why there's such a slow uptake of technology. When you've got a fragmented industry with contractors who are going at 100 miles an hour, you've got builders who are doing this, you've got a strong industrial environment. You've got multiple stakeholders. It's a challenge, and I think that's a challenge that we've all got to lean into and try and demonstrate. We've got to understand the value, and then we've got to demonstrate it to our partners and our clients and to the supply chain, and really to get the buy-in moving forward. There's a group of us here who are passionate about it, and participating in these sorts of webinars is fantastic. The bigger challenge is out in the industry, and it's the guys working in the boots on the ground who we need to be able to convince the value to. I think that's a big challenge, and that's a comment about technology generally, not just around the X-Grids platforms.